Stages of architectural design. Many people are curious about the design phase in making an architectural plan for a building. They wonder if the building step for a hotel, retail shop, warehouse, residential building, or commercial building is the same. According to Kwong, architectural design has 5 stages. This will be discussed in the article for you to better understand the phases. Kwong is a builder with an excellent building visionary for the past 12 years. His works are known to be beautiful while adhering strictly to safety standards. He has done both private and public projects. Architectural design stages: pre-design, schematic design, developing design, drawing, construction sketches, constructing the project. Pre-design is the first step an architect will take, and that is to have a meeting with the client who owns the project. At the meeting, the architect and the client will discuss the goals and vision they have for the project. This includes functionality, purpose, features, and scope, says Kwong, a Melbourne architect. Having a goal will let the architect know what the owner wants and work towards it. What happens? The architect will consult with the client, survey the documents and conditions that already exist, take pictures of the construction site, measurements, put together drawings that already exist, get together base drawings whose levels are high, costing of the entire construction process, make a probable statement, program the space needed and utilize it, code review, and finally, the decision of the owner to continue with the construction when he is satisfied with the design is the last step. Schematic design. The second step is designing the schematic plan of the building. This involves doing several rough sketches to show the simple design concept. Additionally, the architect will complete the local regulations and compliance research during this period. This is very important for this architectural stage. Steps to take to complete this architectural phase: the architect will submit all floor plans of the building together with plumbing materials and normal openings. Make elevations for the building with the exterior part of the building. They do the finishing touches to complete the process. Build cross sections, build the normal wall sections. Get approval from the owner to start the next building stage. Developing the design. This stage is the finalizing phase where the design will be finalized. In addition, items to be used for building the project will also be noted down. The item specifications are the locations of doors and windows, building materials, and other building information. These specifications must be done properly before going to the next stage. Failure to do so means that the architect has to review the design development. To complete this step, an architect must start by proposing a foundation for the design, opening of the floor plans, and list the plumbing materials needed. Get the total dimensions of the project. Calculate the structural dimension of the grid and the interior wall. Propose basis design, openings, and finishing touches for the exterior elevations. Make extra sections for the building. Under all conditions, create a wall section and add the necessary details. Find out the extra details you need to develop a design product basis. Construction drawings. Once an architect reaches this phase, he already has the final design. Then he can begin to prepare the technical specifications needed to bid, get permit applications, and construct. This is when the architect will apply for the permit. When the design satisfies all the building regulations, then the building will get a permit. Otherwise, the permit application will be rejected. He would also create the building blueprints and notes. What happens here? Fully annotate floor plans, get the overall dimension, identify windows, doors, walls,